to all of you. My name is Jadeline. We're here in the Minnesota, United States. It's so cold in here. And Judy
Hello mga kababayan
is
ko.
always
Ako po
cold. And my brother is crazy. And look him. He's a tan.
Tumatakbo po ako ba bilang presidente? Tulungan niyo po sana ako. May baboy po ako isa. Tapos may baril-barilan po ako. Pinatago ko po kay lola ko. Pag nabasag niya po yun, pabayarin niya po yun. Yun lang po. At saka po, bumili po kayo ng postel ko. 50,000 per piece. At saka ganyan lang po yung malaki. Ganyan lang po.
Look at our house. The house is so...
Ganyan lang po. Ganyan. Ganyan. Tapos po, yun na po. Tapos po, bibilang po ako ng mama ko ng
Josh.
sombrero. Oh, sige. Ba't may sombrero ako dito?
Open the door, Josh. Josh, open the door. Shh. This is the computer. Like connecting like this, and then like covering like.
Boto niyo po ako bilang represidente ng ating bayan. Apo, ako po.
Ako naman po, boto niyo po ako para maging security guard.
Boto niyo po ako. Apo. Gangster po ako.
Ito yung tatlong, ito yun.
Si Joshua kasi dance. Dance, you know, the D-A-U-N.
Sit down, Jordan.
So Josh.
Tingnan niyo po yung buhok ko.
Hindi ka tali. Lula, patay tayo.
Sorry po.
Tagyawat mo ng tanga.
Kinalbo po ako ng mama ko.
Sing, Jordan.
Go sing. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Judith Isaacson. Go sing. Do you want to have a sound?
It will not stop now, Jordan.
We're not gonna stop. I see.
Say it again. No.
What you going to do again?
Karaoke.
Just say hello to the Philippines, so they will.
Hello to the
see
Philippines.
us.
I'm Jody.
May
I'm
not.
Shadowing.
Anyway,
I'm in here. Hello to my Lola, to Angela, and mother. I'm gonna see the title is.
And how is the boys?
Shh.
Ay, Jordan.
No, I hate this sound. What?
Sige, timo tali.
Gusto mo ito?
Now your video now.
Kasi karaoke.
Wala Tagalog.
Oh.
Tagalog mo lang, Tagalog mo lang.
Tangan ito. Tangan maganda na nga ito eh. Buka ba?
Sabi nga naman mo Mama say Tagalog.
Say it again, babe. We're singing. I wanna hear it one more time. But I feel closer. They get to a whisper. Just in the cause I know you're here. It's ready. The line. Don't lose your mind. Say it again, fool. It's like the words that you say when you tell me you're ill now. Say it again. Hindi ko nakikita mo. Kumakanta eh.
Bye!
Just know to get out.
Super date. Let's go.
Talk about us. Like there's no inside.
See the picture.
Just think about me. Inside of you. Want to listen. Want to wait and walk into my life. Put a little closer. Take it to a whisper. Just a little louder. Singing for me. The only one who knows your mind. Say it again for me. It's like the world stops to listen when you tell me you're in love. And it feels like it's the first time. Anybody saw me move, stand without the rain. I never in my whole life haven't heard words as beautiful as when you meant my name. Say it again for me, cause I love the way it feels when you are telling me that I'm the only one who blows your mind. Say it again for me. It's like the world stops to listen when you tell me you're in love. Say it again, say it again, say it again. Say it again, say it again. Say it again, say it again, say it again. When you tell me you're in love. Say again.
No, in the
Say Again by Maria Tigny. Lyrics and cover by Charlie. Okay, let's listen to music, okay?
Wait. Okay. Wait.
Say again for
Just don't
me.
have space.
Just don't have space. Say again for me.
Ako lang pala artista rito,
So loud.
starring Joshua.
Ano
Bye-bye.
say? Bye.
Bye-bye. And there's more. My mom.